Attention, teachers, educators, administrators, tech people in education. If you're doing video in education, the eduStreamTV Summit is for you. We're doing 3 days of educational information on how best to live stream and bring remote learning into your classrooms, your lecture centers, your high-flex hybrid environment where some students are there, some students aren't. We've got the information you need, and we are bringing in a stellar cast of industry experts to help explain to you how live streaming and remote learning can work easier for you and your school. We've got people coming in from Telestream, from Epiphan, NewTek, LiveView, PTC's Optics, and BirdDog. We will have these vendors coming in to the show talking about their technologies and how they can be used in your classrooms and your lecture centers to help you deliver a better educational experience and, most importantly, a more engaging experience for your students. Because if your students are engaged, they're going to learn more, they're going to pay more attention. We all know that's how it works. Plus, we've got prizes. That's right. We've got NewTek certification for both live production TriCaster and NewTek certification for 3-play operation. That's the class and the certification. We've got a HuddleCam Simple Track Lite auto tracking camera, Telestream Wirecast Pro, and an Epiphan AV-IO HD capture device. Great prizes for registering to come see the show. That is the eduStream webinar. eduStreamTV, March 8th, March 10th, and March 15th. A great chance for anyone in education who wants to do live streaming and remote education for their students. Learn about the latest technology and learn how you can make your classroom remote, live streamed, and more engaging. See you next week.